In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make her more interested in you. Now if you are new to this channel, please tap the like button and subscribe, because then you won't miss out on new videos that we release. Let's jump straight into the tutorial, and I'll give you some useful tips. Keep watching. This is a simple guide on how to get a girl or woman interested in you. By following these guidelines, you can be much more successful than otherwise when it comes to attracting women. The first step is to understand yourself better. You are who you are, and you will be attractive to some women, and unattractive to others, no matter what you do, or how you act. You must understand what to look for, based on who you are. For example, a nerdy guy will generally place a high value on intelligence in a woman, while others are more likely to value her body shape and size more than her IQ. You need to know what it is you are genuinely attracted to in a woman. You will need to understand what you are attracted to. Learn how to understand and relate to the type of women you are attracted to. Use what you know about what you are attracted to in order to narrow this down to as few specific groups or types of women as possible. The less you have to work with, the easier it will be. Now you need to learn to understand and train yourself to be aware of body language, hers and your own. Women speak through body language fairly clearly. Maybe get some books on the subject, and spend some time watching others in various social settings. When you understand how a woman speaks using body language, you have just advanced 50% of the way forward. It's that important. This point alone is why men and women often have a hard time communicating. Learn to understand her body language, and you'll save yourself a lot of time and trouble. It will help you prepare yourself before you make a move. Try and find women to interact with, preferably those who fit your interests. You need to seek them out, and socialize with them in some way. You can use the girl's body language to understand her and know how to approach her. But also, use them to break the ice and entertain her. Whether she takes them seriously or not is not of any concern. The key is to just let her think what she likes, and have fun with her. They make wonderful icebreakers and conversation topics. One of the biggest mistakes that guys make is that they give away compliments to women too easily, quickly, and too often. Until you are dating a girl, or have a relationship with this girl, you should never say anything that isn't genuinely deserved. Don't move faster than she is comfortable with. Don't push her into anything she doesn't want to do. You need to be sensitive to what she is comfortable with. Make sure she is always comfortable, even when you are flirting with her. A little flirting is very attractive when done in the right way. Okay, so those are some tips to help you make a girl more interested in you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to this channel now for more useful content. Now make sure you go and click the link in the description box below the video to check out the website. You can find out more information about the dating products we recommend, which you can study online right away at home. If you need more help with confidence and approaching women, I would recommend you have a look at the Confidence Unleashed program, so make sure you check that out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.